So let's go back to Visual Studio Code and tweak this so that we really have a proper HTML file. And to do that, we have our first tag, HTML, and then just like a person, every web page needs both a head and a body. And in this head tag, we can have a title and say maybe just from right. And in our body, we'll place all of our code here, or all of our headers and paragraphs. And so if we save, and so this is the part where if you don't remember to save, then you'll end up with unexpected results. So I've been hitting Control S a lot. Just make sure that you're always saving. Okay, and so we